Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Union Minister of Textiles Giri Raj Singh inaugurates Shillong NIFT campus at Umsauli in the presence of Minister of State Pabitra Margarita. Governor CH Vijay Shankar approves bill to include youth women in Dorbar Shillong in addition to 5 others. Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh emphasizes need to revamp state police to counter drug trafficking. And Shillong MP Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon raises concern over multi-crore road project scam in Meghalaya. And now for the news in detail. Union Minister of Textile Giri Raj Singh today inaugurated the Shillong NIFT campus at Umsauli, New Shillong Township in the presence of Minister of State for External Affairs and Textile Pabitra Margarita and Meghalaya Textile Minister Paul Lyngdoh. Singh also attended the 12th convocation of the institute after the inauguration of the permanent campus. In all, 123 graduates of the 2024 batch received the degrees at the convocation. Union Minister of Textile Giri Raj Singh in his address asked the graduates to work for society without forgetting their roots and to continuously strive towards upgrading their knowledge.
वो कहीं न कहीं इन्हीं के ज्ञान को आगे ले जाएंगे अपने ज्ञान के साथ, इसलिए उन शिक्षकों के प्रति एक बार तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से उन्हें सम्मान करें.
The Executive Committee of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council on Thursday afternoon informed that the Governor of Meghalaya, CH Vijay Shankar, has approved 6 bills passed by the Council in the last few years. KHADC CEM Panyat Singh Saim informed that approved bills like the Khad Administration of Ilaka Second Amendment Bill 2023 would empower women and youth to participate in the Dorbar Shillong. The other bills include the Khasi Social Custom of Lineage Amendment Bill 2023, the Khad Trading by Non-Tribal Amendment Rules 2023, the Khad Regulation and Administration of Land Rules 2023, the United Khasi Jaintia Hills District Fisheries Amendment Bill 2023, and the nomination and election of the Lyngdoh Minister Lyngdoh Raj Soyong Lyngdohship Bill 2023.
Generally, the bills but the rules di bana kalian ke KHADC dan shen nila dap ban menjur dak yang badan buram but dokumen ban pentip ba nakalian ke office jong ulat ke jela governor jungi la dap ban menjur ya kini but la penlong ai but shen ngin sa pha ya pi ki copy jong kini ki notification ke bala mi kat kum ki gazette.
Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh on Thursday stated that there is a need to structurally revamp the state police, the anti-narcotic task force, in order to effectively arm them with more powers while dealing with the problem of drug trafficking. On the call for a public march by the Hinyo Trep Youth Council on November 8 to push for 7 key demands aimed at addressing the rising issue of drug trafficking and drug abuse in Meghalaya, the minister said NGOs have the right to do so as long as they do not cross the barriers and the boundaries of the law.
We are here to uphold the law, and structurally we also need to revamp the state police in order to effectively arm them with more powers. One of them obviously is the ANTF, which I have a few ideas to share with the Deputy CM in charge for. NGOs are free to demonstrate their protest or their dissatisfaction, but they need not cross the frontiers of the rule of law.
VPP parliamentarian from Shillong constituency Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon on Thursday asked the state government to take the reported multi-crore road project scam seriously and to ensure the guilty are booked. This highway project connects Shillong to Tura via Nongstoin and Rongjeng. Expressing concerns, he made reference to another World Bank funded road project from Lat Umsau to Mau Maram, which is yet to be completed, though repair work has already started. He asked people not to be silent on such illegalities.
The World Bank funded project, from Lat Umsau to Mau Maram, some 80 crores worth of project, if I'm not mistaken, to get the figures right. And the road has yet to be completed, and then repair is going on. And what is this? And that will be a World Bank funded project. So it is a matter of serious concern. But I feel that the public should, I think that the public should come out and speak against such activities, because this is concerning us and our future. So if we do such, some activities are being carried out in this manner, this is something very serious, because at the end it's public money.
The Khasi Students' Union today met Chief Secretary D.P. Walang to push for reforms in the recruitment process of the Meghalaya Public Service Commission and District Selection Committee. The union presented 15 demands emphasizing transparency and merit-based appointments free from political influence. KSU President Lambok Stawel Marangar stressed the appointments should be based on merit, not politics.
Nakaliang siya sa batay ba nakaliang kasorkaro ng sloba kalaran pichukod jumut na matam pentamai kom trikam but kidan hadu kha santri ki point rai phila yo iti si bla share lamba ki whatsapp group ki la thai kubur di tugitu ki point akaban liang siya sa kubur ki long badan kam but kidan tangkatu kani kiba kidang haban dunia kum gatu penong pendu no personal interview ki grade B C and D kum itu kidang haban examen nama kum gui ki state bila pendu no but the kulit pej bar buat kespon ko tuling kalau adon ya kata hendai nak liang CS 84 buat kli nanti ba dang haban dunia nang ba swab sim yang do ba khandu.
In a significant move to enhance administrative infrastructure in South Garo Hills, Governor C.H. Shankar virtually laid the foundation stone for the new Deputy Commissioner's Office building. This project aims to improve governance and provide modern facilities for the district administrative needs. Addressing the event from Raj Bhavan in Shillong, the Governor praised the district administration and the Meghalaya government for their progressive efforts in strengthening public services, especially in remote areas. The sudden increase in the prices of vegetables in the market has had a huge impact on people, especially daily wage earners. In a conversation with DD News, traders at Yodo, Shillong's biggest traditional market, informed that the prices of vegetables differ from one local market to another. While the selling price of chili is at a whopping rupees 160 per kg in other market, you can get 4 kgs for the same amount in Yodo. In Polo market, the prices are lesser compared to Tolaimkra market. One of the customers expressed her anguish over the vast difference in the prices in these two markets. The Meghalaya State Police Department has inducted 22 new constables who have completed their training at the 4th MLP IRBN Training Center in Sopian. The group consists of 17 recruit constables and 5 followers. This was marked by the passing out parade of the 9th batch of trainees held at the training center at Sopian in West Khasi Hills district. The event was witnessed by Deputy Inspector General of Police TAP Meghalaya C.A. Lingwa, District Deputy Commissioner Garrett L.S. Dykes, Commandant of the 4th MLP Battalion B.D. Marak.
I will congratulate the Commandant, the Assistant Commandant training, though I heard that Moksha is wearing a lot of hats, but still one of the hats, which is the training hat, he has done a very successful job. I also congratulate the trainees who have excelled themselves in this 9 months of rigorous training.
A public awareness meeting on adolescent health and teenage pregnancy was held in Tisao village Nongstoin on Thursday. The event was organized jointly by the Village Health Council and the Dorbar Shnong. Pidalin Nongbri, Adolescent Health Counsellor, highlighted the importance of youth health and the negative impact of peer pressure on adolescent decision-making. While Rubinel Nongsid, Lady Health Visitor from Civil Hospital Nongstoin, discussed the serious consequences of teenage pregnancy and encouraged youth to be assertive and say no to harmful behaviours. The District Sports Office of South West Garo Hills successfully organized the 10th kilometer 5th India Swachhta Freedom Run on October 25th. The run started and concluded at the Indo Stadium in Ampati. The Deputy Commissioner of South West Garo Hills, Hema Nayak, attended the event as the chief guest, with 563 male and 112 female participants. The event saw the participation of 675 runners. Winners were handed prizes and certificates. The district-level Youth Exchange Program 2024 themed Today's Youth, Tomorrow's Leader concluded today at the Nangba College Auditorium in Jawai. This event was organized by the Office of the District Sports Officer in West Jaintia Hills District, Jawai. The two-day program showcased a variety of competitions such as thematic, science mela, group and solo folk dances, song, quiz, drawing and painting, poetry, story writing, declamation and awareness sessions. And now for the weather report. Minimum temperature 13 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 19 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 98% and in the evening 100%. Forecast light to moderate rain is likely to occur at a few places. And now for the headlines once again. Union Minister of Textile Giriraj Singh inaugurates Shillong NIFT campus at Umsauli in the presence of Minister of State Pabitra Meghalaya. Governor CH Shankar approves bill to include youth women in Dorbar Shnong in addition to 5 others. Social Welfare Minister Paul Lingdor emphasizes need to revamp state police to counter drug trafficking. And Shillong MP Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon raises concerns over multi-crore road project scam in Meghalaya. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.